In class, let us continue with what we were doing. Today we shall begin with Bengal. Now we learnt that after the decline of the Mughal Empire, we learnt that there were few regional kingdoms that were becoming independent as well as gaining in power. So first we are going to do about Bengal. Bengal was among the first 5 provinces that broke away from the declining Mughal Empire. And the Mughal governor, that is Murshid Kulit Khan, asserted his independency by renaming his capital city Maqsusabad as Murshidabad. That means he renamed the capital city under his name as Murshidabad. Then Murshid Quli Khan is called the first independent Nawab of Bengal. Now you have to know that the Britishers had started entering into India. So any Nawab which came after, Murshid Quli Khan they were the Nawabs of Bengal, but they had to rule under the British. So that means they were not independent. They were ruling, but they were ruling under the British. That is why Murshid Quli Khan was known as the first independent Nawab of Bengal, and that he also, what did he do is, after becoming independent, he renamed the capital into Murshidabad. Okay, the successors of Murshid Quli Khan continued his good administration and transformed Bengal into a prosperous kingdom. Now, finally, the rule of the last independent Nawabs declined with the defeat of Nawab Siraj ud-Dawla by the East India Company in the Battle of Plassey. So, in the Battle of Plassey, what happened is, the Nawab, which was Nawab Siraj ud-Dawla, he was defeated by the East India Company. The puppet rule finally ended with the defeat of Mir Qasim in the Battle of Boxer. That means after Nawab Siraj ud-Dawla died, all the rulers became, whoever came after him, became puppets. That means yes man. They are also known as yes man. They had to do whatever the Britishers say. They did not have any say. They could not decide on anything. So they just had to say yes. Okay. Now after the Bengals were the Sikhs. The Sikhs rose against the religious intolerance of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Their 5th Guru Tej Bahadur was arrested and executed by Aurangzeb. That means he was killed. To fight the Mughals, the 10th Sikh Guru, who was the 10th Sikh Guru, Gobind Singh, formed a military order called the Khalsa. So gradually the Sikhs organized themselves into warrior groups called Missals, and the head of the Missal were known as Misaldars. Okay. Now Ranjit Singh, who was the Misaldar of one of the Missals, he brought all the Misaldars under him, and then he tried to gain power against not only the Mughals but also the Britishers. And Ranjit Singh was also known as the Sher-e Punjab. He was such a powerful and a capable ruler in Punjab. Now Sher-e Punjab means the Tiger of Punjab. He was given the title the Tiger of Punjab. He had a correct measure of the might of the British. He was able to measure how powerful the Britishers were, and he realized through his cunningness that the Britishers were very powerful and they would not be able to win a war. So instead of fighting a war, he signed the the Treaty of Amritsar. He signed a treaty. Alright, it's like a contract stating that the Britishers would accept his sovereignty over his kingdom. So the Britishers allowed Ranjit Singh to become the ultimate ruler in his kingdom without any interference. The Satluj River was accepted as the boundary between the Sikh kingdom and the Britishers. So the Satluj River was in between. On the left hand side became the Sikh kingdom. On the right hand side was the territories of the Britishers. Now, he expanded his kingdom in the northern and western directions of the Satluj River. Maharaja Ranjit Singh died in 1839, leaving a very large Sikh kingdom. But however, after his death, his successors, that means the rulers who came after him, were not so powerful, were unable to rule as Ranjit Singh ruled. Alright, so They were defeated by the British, who annexed, that means the Britishers then, after the death of Ranjit Singh, joined the Sikh kingdom into the British Empire. Alright, so we shall be doing till here today. Tomorrow I am going to start with the Rajputs.